Today's video, I want to share with you my Dollar Tree haul. Everything was still $1, but this is January. I went there the first week of January, the second week of January, everything was still $1. And then I went in there the third week, last week in January, and all four of my local Dollar Trees were at $1.25. I walked in and I walked out. So here are the things that I stocked up on before they switched over. Okay, first I stocked up on this totally awesome drain, what do you call, opener. And I've been using this for years, and I just once a month I'll just run this through all of the drains, and we don't have a problem. So I stocked up on that. And then some toilet paper for the guest bathroom. Just like to keep a little small, so stocked up on these. Got a few of these. And kind of doing a refresh on a guest bathroom, and I didn't want to spend a lot of money, so I got these inexpensive what is this? They get hooked up together. Got this caddy, and it works better than I thought. It will hold like one shower gel thing, put one soap in it, and your little puffs here, and it will, the weight of it will, keep it together. Will hold up pretty well. So I was pleased with this. So I got another one. Okay, I've just gotten back in. If you see here, it's cold here. So I just came in, and when you got to pull out the leather coat, it's cold here. So you'll see that sitting there. I didn't even bother to put it up. Okay, and then I got these over the door hooks. Got a couple of these. So in that guest bathroom, you can just put the towels. Guests can put their towels on there. So I got that. Got a couple of these. These are these other over-the-door hooks. Ooh, I'm beginning to cough. I went to Starbucks, got me some coffee, so. Ooh, maybe that'll help me out some. Okay, then I got these shower curtains. I've never gotten the shower curtains in there from Dollar Tree before, but I just trying to do an inexpensive refresh in my guest bathroom, and they were $1, and I like the print. I like black and white, so I'm gonna give it a try. And then I always get these clear liners, shower liners, so I wipe them out. Because sometimes I'll clean off these liners, but then I prefer every 2 or 3 months just to replace them. I throw them away and get another one. So just keep some on deck. And because the ones I get from Burlington, they're $4 and $5.99. And when I see them there, I stock up. And if I see some in Kroger, I'll get some. They're maybe $3 there. So I'll get one for $1. And let's see. I opened up this one. So it looks sturdy enough, for a guest bath. It's thin. But then you put it with the liner. Then you can even do double do. You can put the liner in front, it's clear, and then a liner in back, and that might give it some more stability. And then I took these out. Then these shower hooks, $1, 12. a lot of shower curtains, and the ones up there now, this needs to be taken down and washed, so I put something cheap up there. And then I got these, what are these, bath mats. I got 2 of these, and now I don't know why I got these, because when I had my cleaning service, I used to hate when people had these in their bathrooms. It just took time out, and the little black grime would get in there, and I would have to clean that out. So why I got one, I don't know. I think I can just maybe do a DIY with this or something. So I got 2 of these. And I love candles, so I'm going to try these in the bathroom. These are the white clove. I got 2 more of the LED. And I got these dispensers. Got 4. I put 2 in this one of our powder rooms. It's working fine. It's fine. And then I got 4 more of these clear containers here. So that's it for the bathroom. Okay, and then I got hot sauce. Got the Louisiana. We got hot wings. Then I got the regular hot sauce too. It's over there. And then hubby likes this, the Old Bay hot sauce. So I got a few of those. All $1. Oh. And then these are my favorite. I love me some Moose Munch popcorn. I got the dark chocolate. So when I see these, I get 5 and 6 at a time. Now, if there's anything that will draw me into my Dollar Tree when they go up to, at $1.25, will be this. Anything other than that. And then once, because I was like eating like the Cracker Jacks, and don't even mess with, if you see these, get these. Don't even mess with that cracker. I mean, unless you just love Cracker Jacks. So I got the milk chocolate. So I get a few of these and put them up. Okay, let's see that in. Oh, we got a few things. I got a few things. Okay. Then I got like office and office supplies. Got this storage container. And in there you got, paper clips. I do a lot of writing, and you guys probably can't tell, but being a content creator, I write down ideas for videos. I even write down scripts every time I do a video. And as soon as the camera comes on, I don't remember anything that I wrote down. I just go for it. So you got pencils and coloring pencils, scissors, just office supplies, stuff like that. What are these? Permanent markers. So these are the things to stock up on. I knew I would use these. These are things I stock up on that adds up really fast. You add extra quarter. So put that down there. And I've been in there looking. What I'm looking for are these, well, no, I'll show you this first. I've been admiring these for months. And then so I finally went on and got some. And right before they went up. And then just got, I put my bleach in there. My like toilet bowl cleaner. This will probably be like my first aid kit. I have a little ladies toolbox. And so I gotta have another one. And then this one I just started putting in like some first aid stuff. Band-aids. We got some gauze. What is this? Yeah, rolled gauze. So I'm just starting building my first aid kit. Okay, and then I got all of the cooking utensils that I ever wanted. I got like 2 and 3 at a time. I got the spatula, this one, Betty Crocker. Got 2 Betty Crockers here. Measuring cups. Measuring spoons. And I got this colander. You know, I have professional level supplies, and especially when I was catering and when I was like a personal chef, I would buy these Dollar Tree. Like if I went on location, you know, I would have to take a kit with me because you just never know what happens. So I always would take, you know, stuff like this. I had a kit of Dollar Tree stuff. So if something, but nothing ever happened, and that stuff stood up to a lot of abuse. So I got 2 of the, I got 2 red mixing bowls, white one. I have another one I had for like 15 years. Got this. Stuff like this, I felt it was important to have on deck. Something breaks, and with me doing cooking videos, and I still, you know, cook here and there, cater a little party, you know, you just always have it. You need to have, nowadays, you know, with the supply chain issues, you need to just have, when you see something and you can afford it, you keep it on deck. Okay, then I got these cupcake holders. I have 2 of these. You see that? It has a nice carrying top. Do it like that. Let's see how it snaps. It snaps well. I just didn't feel like fumbling with it. But yeah, it snaps well. Got that over here. Okay. Then I got these baskets. I do a lot of gift baskets. And you know, and it's growing into a little small business. And when I would always do gift baskets for my customers. When I was a caterer, I would bake their favorite cookies. I knew what their favorite cookies or cakes, and then I would, you know, make a little basket and just, you know, send it to them for their birthdays. Or when I had my cleaning company right before a pandemic, I stopped doing it during the pandemic. And you know, and I know my clients personally. So, you know, if I knew their birthday, I would make them a gift basket. It was more just for, you know, saying thank you and happy birthday. And, you know, and babies, you know, most of my clients started having babies after I started, you know, cleaning their homes. So that's how I started just giving gift baskets. And then they started asking me, you know, to make them. You know, my friend's having a baby. So that's just kind of how it snowballed. So I'm doing more and more of that now that, you know, I'm getting, you know, kind of getting away from running these streets. Okay, then I got my little pots here. Got 3 sets of those. I got some more of my seeds. Right now, I don't feel like planting. I have so many other things to do. Then I got this planter. But yeah, I'm looking for those white those white planters. Like, I'm gonna show you what I get these every year. Now, I get these every year, but now they have the white. They have them in white. And I got 4 of these. And I got these. And then they have them in white, and they have, you know, something on there, 1953. And they're not in my store. I went to 4 stores. They're not in our stores yet. And I even went to DollarTree.com. I had those things in my cart probably 5 times. And then, but they won't ship it to store. So it'd be like almost $30 to ship. I was like, I can't pay $30, $40 for shipping. Can't do it. So I'm going to take it out of my cart. I said, I know I can find them, but I haven't been able to find them. Then I got this size. So I got this size here. So, and then like last night, I went back to try to put them back in my cart, and they said it's out of stock. So I got more of these, more of those. And I got some greenery. Those are cute. He was just putting those out when I got there. Got that. I have some lavender. Okay, so I'm not gonna, I probably won't be using them like this, but you can. Look how cute just doing this. I'm just keeping all this greenery in here just to, you know, have some place to put it for right now. It's gorgeous, just like that. Just be haphazard, you know. Just put it in there. It's cute. Okay, so now, what I hate that now if they get those white ones in the stores, it's going to be $125, but that's okay because I like them. Okay, and then the last thing I got were these wire baskets. They're cute. Got, and then I got 6 of these. Wire baskets, and then I got a set. They're a little bigger than this. They're flatter, and yeah. So that's everything. That is my stock up haul, my Dollar Tree haul. Everything was $1, and I have some other things for the business. I may do a haul on that. Let you guys see the last few things that I got for $1. So, all right, guys. So I want to thank you so much. Thank you for taking time to view my stock up haul from Dollar Tree today, and I welcome you to join the table. If you like content like this, I cook, I create, I celebrate, I do crafts, I do everything. I live tastefully for less. So if you like content like this, please don't hesitate to like, comment on this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. All right? Bye, guys. Bye, Mom.